American muscle, boy.
Oh, God.
What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. Today's just gonna be like a vlog type of thing. I'm with my buddy Adam that you saw that has lifted GM, and I don't know, we're just gonna do a bunch of shit today and wash his truck and fix his toolbox that got, I don't know, he was driving down the highway and it just flipped up. So we're gonna figure out what's wrong with that, and yeah, we'll see what happens throughout the day. Sick grill, dude. No ding squad, huh? What do you think about that, dude?
What is that, dude? Not
It's
right.
custom.
Not right.
Fucking nigga shit. Take a nigga bitch and then I pass her to the click. I say, see me, I don't got no time for no bitch. I just get it for the bros, I'm just worried about them chips. I'm a shot call, little nigga, I'ma stay wild. Hot nigga, I belong in a dog pound. Shot call, little nigga, I'ma stay wild. Hot nigga, I belong in a dog pound.
It sounds like it's working over there, but not over here. You know what I mean?
Yeah. Like, you push down.
This is supposed to lock it right here, right? It goes into this. Locks it. So something is not catching over there then?
So it's supposed to go down?
This is supposed to go down and then like this. Look at it. And it locks it.
Yeah, but this one. Yo, this fucking lock shit is ridiculous, bro. Piece of fucking shit.
It's almost like it won't connect with this part right here.
Yeah.
With that. I don't know.
You think should I just fucking take it off and
Take it off now?
I mean, there's no point in having it. It's just fucking shut.
I know, but let's go there first and see what they say. Alright, so we came to the conclusion that we had to take the brackets off because they got bent. So we have to bend them back and hopefully they work, right?
Yep, don't buy Tractor Supply shit ever.
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 Oi.
Boy.
Easy as that. If you don't got a table, use a goddamn loader, bro.
Thinned them out on top, huh?
That's cheap. What do you expect?
Shit, my truck isn't cheap, bro.
Dude, it's a GM. Dude, do you have an edit on YouTube? Oh shit, wait, you do. Ugh. Install back time. Crank it down.
So now we got things back working. Just had to bend this piece straight again. That's about it. But now she closes like new. Dude, you're just ruining.
You vlogging right now?
Ruined the moment. You get that hammer? This one's like bent at the top. I think I just found an alien in my truck, possibly.
Who the hell put that in there?
You.
Yeah, me.
See what we got. Is it clay?
Looks like Play-Doh.
Very strange. Bro, that's in there.
Someone's
Couldn't have got me the fucking long reach ones.
someone's fucking with you.
It's coming.
What's in it?
That's clay.
Who the hell?
Go give me the long reach ones.
Bro,
They have
anything
ones,
else?
like, long, something. Really.
This dude's always complaining to me.
Come on, bro.
Cameron. Where are the long reach ones? There's nothing in here for long. How about this? Is this longer?
Grab me a flat screwdriver.
This long enough? Too long? There's no such thing as too long, bro. This better? Oh, guess I'm editing this, so that's getting cut out.
From here? I feel like you can like the first first guy or some shit just fucking.
No, that was never there.
I don't think so.
No.
Who the fuck has purple clay though?
Somebody was probably fucking with you.
Who though? Yeah. This shit rock hard, fam.
Yeah.
Look at. Oh my god, that's rock hard. Jesus. Who the fuck?
All right, selling on Craigslist, $20.
Yeah.
Hit me up.
Nice piece of clay.
It's coming from. All right, so you know how we just washed the truck? Well, it's raining.
Just my luck.
So rip.
Happens every time.
It's already filthy. We just got out to look and there's mud all over it. So